Hello, hope you're doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to start an online t-shirt business with no money. The first thing I want you to do is go onto printful.com. Printful.com is a print-on-demand platform, meaning that all you'll need to do is upload your t-shirt design onto Printful, and from there they will handle all of the printing of your t-shirts. They will also handle the delivery and the customer service. All you have to do is add the design, drive your customers to Printful, and from there you'll simply collect passive income. To get started on Printful is completely free, as they don't get paid until you get paid, so they'll collect a small percentage of whatever sales you make. So I want you to go onto printful.com, then you're going to tap on either get started or you're going to tap on sign up. Once you have done that, you will be redirected to this page, and you can either sign in using Google, Apple, Facebook, or you can sign up with your email. For this example, I will select Google, then I'll simply tap on my Gmail account. Once you're signed in, you can tap right here where you see agree to, and you're going to tap on sign up, and you'll tap on sell online. After you have done that, you can see what describes you or your business the best, and you can scroll down and you can select whichever one of these options suits you. For me, I will select individual. Then from there, what's the total annual revenue of your business? I'm just getting started, and then I'm going to select clothing right here. After you have done that, you will be redirected to this dashboard, as you can see here. Now, Printful is the platform that you will be using to create your t-shirt, but you need another platform on which you'll be able to promote and advertise your t-shirts and where your customers can complete their purchase. To find a platform that you'll be able to do that for free, I will be using Ecwid. And the reason why I recommend Ecwid is it is beginner friendly and it is completely free. And when I say free, I don't mean a free trial period. I mean free forever plan. So with Ecwid, you can get started for completely free, and you'll be able to add your first 5 products. After you have added your first 5 products and you have gotten some sales, from there you can start exploring other platforms, or you can go onto one of their paid plans. But if you were to, for example, sign up to Shopify or so on, you will only get a 3-day free trial period, and you wouldn't be able to do any sales on it, as to do a sale, you'll need to be on one of their paid plans. And before signing up to Ecwid, you can scroll down and you can see the different features that they offer right here. So they do offer numerous features, and you can see that they are highly rated. Now we are going to tap on get started for free. After you have tapped on get started for free, from here you can simply tap on sign up with Google, or you could sign up with your Facebook account or Apple account, or you can enter your email address and create a password. I'm going to be signing up with Google real quick. Once you're signed up, I will show you what to do next. So you can see I'm signed up right here. Just give it a few seconds to register. While that is being registered, what we'll need to do, let me tap on next right here with the registration steps, and then you can enter your city. So let me do that real quick. Then do you already have experience selling? I'll tap on just getting started. What type of products will you be selling? You can select the type of product right there. Then you'll tap on next. After you have done that, do you already have a website? I'll simply tap on next. Now I'll tap on create a store. It's free. Now that you have done that, you can see right here, we are now in the Ecwid dashboard. And all we'll need to do to continue, we're going to go back onto Printful. Once on Printful, from here you can go over to the left-hand menu option, and you are going to tap right where you see product catalog, or you can tap on design product right here to design your first product. So we'll tap on design product. After you have done that, you're going to tap on create product in the top right hand corner. Then from there, you can select men's clothing, or you can simply type in where you see search products. You could type in t-shirts right there. So let's say we were to type in t-shirt. After you have typed in t-shirt, you can see the different options right there. So let's say I were to select men's fitted t-shirt. After you have done that, you're going to see the image right here, the mockup, and you can now upload your design. Since we are doing everything on a tight budget, better yet completely free, the platform that I would recommend you use to create your design is none other than Canva. Canva is a beginner-friendly platform that you can use to create practically anything. So all you'll need to do is sign up to canva.com using your email address. From there, you can simply type on the search bar right here. You could type in t-shirt. After you have typed in t-shirt, you can see the different options right here. So let's say, for example, I were to select Christmas t-shirts. Let's look on the different templates that they would recommend. So you can see the different templates right here. And let's say, for instance, I would like to use this template. I will simply tap on it. Then from there, you can tap on customize this template. Once you have done that, you will be redirected to a new page. On this new page, you can add your own personal touches if you want. So for instance, if you wanted to change a text, you could simply tap on the text section and you can change the text. You can also change the color by going up to the top menu option. And if you like to edit the image, you could tap on the image, then select edit photo. So let's say, for example, I want to add a slight shadow to Santa. All I'll need to do is tap on edit. Then after you have tapped on edit, you could select shadows right here. Then I'll tap on outline. You can see it right there. After you have done that, all you'll need to do now is tap on share in the top right hand corner. Then you're going to tap on download. Then tap on download once more. After you have tapped on download and it has been downloaded, you're going to go back into printful. Once in printful, all you'll need to do now is go over to the left hand menu option, tap on uploads. Once you have tapped on uploads, from here you're going to scroll down. Let's tap on I understand, save and close. Then tap on upload new file. Then we're going to upload the design that we had created. So we're going to tap on it right there. Once it has been uploaded, as you can see right here, all you'll need to do now, you can see the design right there. So that is it. We're going to tap on apply. And now you can see that it has been added to our t-shirt right there. So you can see how it looks. You can also edit the positioning if you want by tapping on positioning right here. If it is a case that you would like to add it to the back, you can also do that. Let us remove the background real quick. So I'm going to select remove background. Then I'll tap on got it. So let's remove the background so we can see how it looks. So you can see right here. Let's tap on remove background. Once the background has been removed, all we'll need to do now, you can see there, it does look very good. After you're finished, you're going to simply tap on save templates. Now that it has been saved, you can see it right here. So this is our template right now. We have now created our first template. Now to add a store, all you'll need to do is go over to the left hand menu option. You're going to tap on stores. After you have selected stores, from here you're going to tap on choose platform. Once you have selected choose platform, for this example we are using Ecwid, but you can see that Printful can be connected to Shopify, Etsy, WooCommerce or Wix or Squarespace or Webflow if you want. But we are using Ecwid for this example, so we are going to tap on connect. Once you have tapped on connect, I want you to scroll down. Then you are going to tap get the app. After you have tapped get the app, it will automatically open a page on your Ecwid store. And all you'll need to do is tap on get. Then from there, the app will be installed on your Ecwid store. Once the app has been installed, you will be redirected to your Ecwid dashboard. And from here, you can complete the installation by tapping on install once more. Then tap on install right there. Then you can simply give it a few seconds while the app is being installed. Now you can see it has been installed and it is currently opening. So just give it a few seconds. Once it has been added, you'll realize that your products are also on display and you can start adding your products to the store. So you can see it is loading the printful designs right here. So from here, we'll simply scroll down. We're going to tap on Google or whichever sign-in option you had chosen, and you'll simply sign in to your printful account. Then you'll tap on Connect Store. After you have done that, you can see Add Products to Store right there. You'll tap on Add Products. Now that you have done that, all you'll need to do now, you can see right there, these are some sample products. So we don't want the sample products. All we'll need to do is we can tap on Add Product in the top right hand corner. After you have tapped on Add Product, it is going to redirect you to the templates that you had created earlier. So we are going to tap on My Product Template. Then you'll see it right here. You can simply tap on it. So you can see there, you can select all colors or you can select the colors that you would like it to be available in. You can also select the sizes that you want it to be available in. Once you're finished, you'll simply scroll down. You're going to tap on Proceed to Mockups. And mockups are simply the images that your customers will see. So you can see right here, we'll tap on Create Your Own. You can either choose basic mockups, which will allow you to choose from a variant of ready-made mockups, or you can choose custom mockups. You can select whichever option you want. But we'll tap on Choose Mockups for this example. And you can see them right here. Once the mockup is of your liking, all you'll need to do now, you're going to scroll down and you're going to tap on Continue. Now that we have tapped on Continue, so let's do that real quick. Now that we have tapped on Continue, you'll now be able to select the price that you would like to sell them for. So if you would like to change the price, you can enter the price right here. If you would like to enter the percentage, let's say you want to make a 25% interest, you could type in 25% right there and tap on Set, and it will increase the price, so you'll get a 25% markup. Then you'll scroll down and you're going to tap on Submit to Store. Now that it has been submitted to your store, you can see the item is being added right there. So all you will need to do is simply give it a few seconds and you have now added your first t-shirt to your store. So you can start showing persons, or better yet, start promoting your store so you can start getting some sales. So now that it has been added, if we like to edit it, all you'll need to do is simply tap on the product. Once you have tapped on it, from here you can scroll up. You can see the different variants that have been added right there, as you can see here, so you can make any changes you want. Now we can go over to the left hand menu option, tap on products. After you have tapped on products, you can remove the sample products by simply tapping on Delete All Sample Products in the top right hand corner. Then tap on Yes. So it would only leave the products that you have uploaded, as you can see right here. Now you can tap on the drop down menu option right there, and from there you'll be able to edit the options if you want. And as I said earlier, with Ecwid you'll be able to add up to 5 products for completely free. Now let's go back into our Printful dashboard. Once on the Printful dashboard, what I want you to do next is we're going to go over and we're going to select billing. After selecting billing, you will be redirected to this dashboard. as we'll need to set
Hi,
this
I'm
up,
Anders from
as
Printful's
this is
marketing
where
team.
we
I'm
will
going to tell you
receive
about
our
how Printful
payments. So
processes
you can
payments for
see right
fulfillment.
there, add billing method. You can simply tap on add billing
If you're
method right
creating a
here, and from there you can tap on add, so you can enter your information right there, so you'll be able to add your billing method. And by the way, you can customize this by simply adding your branding if you would like to offer a certain branding, or if you like to offer a certain logo or so on, you can do that. There are numerous customizable options that you can find with Printful. And that's basically it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.